Next topic is demultiplexer, or we can say demux. So sorry, demultiplexer is a data distributor which takes a single input and gives several output. So it is also a combinational circuit that performs just the reverse operation of multiplexer. In case of multiplexer, we have many inputs and one output, and in case of demultiplexer we have one input and many output. So this is the block diagram of demux. Here it has only one input data lines and many of the output data lines. Suppose 2 raised to the power n output data lines, and it will have n selection lines. So let's implement 1 by 4 demux, or we can say demultiplexer. So 1 by 4 demultiplexer has one input and 4 output. So since we have 4 output, that is equals to 2 raised to the power 2. So 1 by 4 mux will have 2 selection lines. So let's check. Suppose this 1 by 4 mux demux has one input, that is I, and 4 output lines. Suppose that is y0, y1, y2 and y3. So it will have 2 selection lines, S0 and S1. So this single input will be connected to one of the 4 outputs from y0 to y3, that is based on the combination of selection lines S1 and S0. So let's check its truth table. Selection line S1 and S0, and outputs y3, y2, y1 and y0. So for 0 0 input will connected to I0, y0. For 0 1 input will be connected to y1. For 1 0 input will be connected to y2, and for 1 1 input will be connected to y4, and rest will be 0. So from this truth table we can directly implement the boolean function for each output. So y3, that will be equals to I, S1 and S0. y2, that is equals to I, S1 and S0 bar, and y1, that is equals to I, S1 bar, S0, and y0, that is equals to I, S1 bar and S0 bar. And we can implement this boolean function using 3 input AND gate and inverter. So this one is the boolean function. So we can implement this function 3 input AND gate. Suppose this is y3, this is y2, and this one is y1, and this one is y0. So y3 is I, S1, S0, I, S1 and S0. So this is S1, this is S0, this is y3. y2 is I, S1, S0 bar, I, S1 and S0 bar. Y1 is I, S1 bar, that is this, and S0, and Y0 is I, S1 bar and S0 bar. So this is the logic circuit diagram for 1 by 4 marks. Similarly, we can implement 1 by 8 demux and 1 by 16 demux. Now implementation of higher order demux. And we will implement higher order demux from lower order demux. So first we will implement 1 by 8 demux. So to implement 1 by 8 demux, we will use 1 by 4 demux and 1 by 2 demux. Since we know 1 by 4 demux has a single input and 2 selection lines and 4 outputs, and this 1 by 8 demux has single input, 3 selection lines and 8 output. So we need to use 2 1 by 4 demux. So that we can get 8 outputs, 4 from upper one and 4 from lower one, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7, and it have 2 selection lines. So these 2 selection lines, suppose this is S0 and this one is S1. So same selection lines will be applied to both 1 by 4 demux. And then here 1 by 4 demux have one input at this one and one input for this one. So we need to use 1 by 2 demux also. This 1 by 2 demux will have one input, one selection line, suppose input is I, one selection line, suppose that is S2, and 2 outputs, and output of this 1 by 2 demux will be applied to input of 1 by 4 demux and input of another input of 1 by 4 lower 1 by 4 demux. So let's implement its truth table. We have 1 by truth table for 1 by 8 demux. So this is 1 by 8 demux. It will have 3 selection lines and 8 outputs. Suppose selection lines S0, S1 and S2. These are 3 selection lines and 8 inputs, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. These are 8 outputs. So for the combination 0 0 0, Y0 will be connected to input and rest will be 0. For combination 0 0 1, input will be connected to Y1 and rest will be 0. For this combination 0 1 0, input will be connected to Y2 and rest will be 0. For the combination 0 1 1, input will be connected to Y3 and rest will be 0. For combination 1 0 0, input will be connected to Y4 and rest will be 0. For combination 1 0 1, input will be connected to Y5 and rest will be 0. For combination 1 1 0, input will be connected to Y6 and rest will be 0. And for combination of 1 1 1, input will be connected to I7 and rest will be 0. So here these are the two selection lines, S0 and S1. These two selection line will be connected to upper and lower 1 by 4 demux, and this third selection line S2 will be connected to 1 by 2 demux. So these two selection lines S0 and S1 will be common for 1 by these upper and lower 1 by 4 demux, and the upper one will give output from Y4 to Y7 and lower one will give output from Y0 to Y3, and this other selection line will be applied to 1 by 2 demux. So when this S2 will be 0, then one of the four output of lower 1 by 4 demux will be equal to input, and that will be based on the selection line of S1 and S0. And when S0 will be 1, that time the upper one out input will be connected to the output of upper 1 by 4 demux, and that will based on the combination of S1 and S2, sorry, S1 and S0. Similarly, we can implement 1 by 16 demux. 1 by 16 demux have 16 output lines and 4 selection lines. So we will implement 1 by 16 demux using 1 by 8 demux and 1 by 2 demux. And since 1 by 8 demux has 8 output lines and we need 16 output lines, so we will use 2 1 by 8 demux. One by 16 demux will have 16 output lines and 4 selection lines. So suppose 4 selection lines S0, S1, S2 and S3. These are the 4 selection lines. So 3 selection lines will be connected to these upper 1 by 8 demux and lower 1 by 8 demux, and that will be common for both. So S0, S1 and S2, S0, S1 and S2. These 3 selection lines will be common for both upper 1 by 8 demux and lower 1 by 8 demux. From here, from lower 1 by 8 demux, we will get 8 output lines from Y0 to Y7, and from upper 1 by 8 demux, we will get output from Y8 to Y16. So these are the, Y15. These are the 16 output lines. In the first stage, we are going to use 1 by 2 mux, which have only one input, that is I, and 2 outputs that will be connected to one upper and one lower 1 by 8 demux, and it will have one selection line, that is suppose S3. So when S3 will be 0, then this input will be connected to any one of the output of 1 by 8 demux, that will be based on the combination of S0, S1 and S2 selection lines. And when S3 will be 1, then this input will be connected to any one of these outputs of 1 by 8 upper 1 by 8 demux line, that will be based on this values of this selection line S0, S1 and S2.